In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Grok Imagine. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to start creating visuals with confidence. I'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along in real time. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Give the page a second to load so the dashboard elements appear properly. On the left side of the screen, look for the Imagine option in the sidebar. This is your creative hub inside Grok. Click it, and you'll be taken to the Imagine workspace, where everything you need to explore, experiment, and produce images or videos is organized in one place. Once you're in, start by browsing the featured templates. These templates are a great way to jump in quickly because they showcase curated setups and styles that already work well. If you're unsure where to begin or you want to see what's possible, use these as a starting point. Right alongside that, explore the Discover area. This section helps you see what's trending and what others are making. It's perfect for inspiration and can spark ideas about prompts, styles, or compositions you might try yourself. When you're ready to create, click the plus sign. Think of this as opening a fresh canvas. From here, you'll see the option to upload or drop images. If you have a reference photo, a logo, or a mood board saved on your computer, bring it in now. High-quality, well-lit images tend to give better results, so choose files that clearly show the subject or style you want to guide the model toward. After you upload, your recent images will appear in the panel. This makes it easy to reuse assets without hunting through your folders again. Next, click the field labeled Type in to Imagine. This is where your prompt goes. Be clear and descriptive about the subject, style, and any key details. If you want a specific mood or composition, mention it here. Now choose your output mode. Click on Image if you're generating a still visual. If you're aiming for motion, click on Video. Once your prompt is ready and you've selected the mode, click Submit or simply press Enter. Grok Imagine will process your request and display the results. If you want to refine the outcome, adjust your prompt or swap your reference image and submit again. That's all there is to it. Simple steps, powerful results.